and roll kami. Tapos ati.
Madalas din ang pagsubok sa aking buhay. Pero tinutut lamang ang makakapagbigay ng panatagan.
Going to the school.
Kung walang
Let's wait for Tia. Nag-withdraw siya ng she withdraw money
agricultural cooperation.
ATM.
Hindi rin naman
Vanya and
Marco.
Marco. Hello. Kumasa ulo ko ng cashier.
Okay, sir.
Bali ba
Bata.
navy blue nga. Short pants. Black sock, black shoes, white sock. Sila nga po sila. Dito sa babae mo magpatangig dito mo. Kaya sa boys, pili mo pala doon sa mall.
Ah, okay.
Mall, palengke, naman nagpilihan. Ang patches lang balik ng diri. Lang mo nila ang loko. Nursery na yung tindahan na diay.
Nursery.
Sa picture na na.
Asa tumatado. Asa po magpatay sir ya?
Sa nursery
Nami pero busy naman ko. Sige lang, ano lang alas, one pa man po ilang uniform sa bahay. Taga pa mo 1 month.
Oh.
At least kung makaano mo ka doon, pa-enroll na mo, makapatahi mo, tapos ganda kong bata.
Kaya ko ano po next year.
Tapos na yun ba? Allowance lang yun. Allowance.
This is your school, your teacher, come on. Go to your teacher, come on. Okay na mag-video, ma'am?
Okay. Oh, this colors. Okay. Can you identify what color is this? Red. Whoa, good job. This one. What color? What color? What color is this? Red. Oh, good job again. What about this one? Yellow. Yellow. This one. Yellow. Wow. What about this one? Wow, good job. This one. Wow. What about this one? Wow. What about this one? Black. This one. Wow, good job. Nursery colors. Maybe can we try you in our letters? Can you identify the letters? What about this one? What letter is this? Letter? Oh! Oh, as in? What is that? What about this one? Yellow. As in? Flower. Oh, this is the flower. Umbrella. Good job. What about this one? What letter is this? M. Do you know the sounds of letter M?
Wala pa
What's the sound of letter M?
Sige lang, pumahalo na lang ako. Okay lang.
M. Good job. Very good. How about Kuya? Can you identify this one, Kuya? What letter is this, Kuya? Nursery na siya. This one. This one. This one, Uno. What letter is this? Si Kuya first. This one. What letter is this? This one. This one. No, this is not this one. What letter is this? Where is Kuya Uno? Where is letter A? Where is letter A? This one, what letter is this? This one, what letter? No, this is not I. Letter? What letter is this? Letter? F. Uno. What color is this?
Oh no.
Come on.
You go there, we go there.
What color is this?
Look, what color is that?
This one, look. Oh, come on.
Look.
Come on. What? The color is this. What color is this? Green. Good job. What about this one? The car. What color is the car? Oh, what color? Color? What about wheels? This one, what is this? Very good. Good job talaga si Ana. Oh, na. What is your name? My name? My name is... Ano siya name?
One.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I am. How old are you? 3? Are you 3 years old? Yes. What about you, Uno? How old are you? No. Pero makaano na siya.
Opo. Hindi na siya
Hindi lang na may ganyan. You want to play? Can you jump? Can you jump? Don't show me. You show teacher me. Can you jump? Jump. Can you jump?
Sabi, jump! Jump! Jump!
Oh, good job. Can you run?
Run!
Can you run? Run. Oh, good job. Very good. Can you do like this? Oh, can you do like this? Oh? Can you do it like that? Go. Can you hop? Can you
Hop.
do it
Hop.
like this? Oh, hop.
Hop!
Hop.
Hop, sabi, hop!
Oh, good job. Very good talaga. Si Kuya, Uno.
Hop, Uno, hop.
Can you jump?
Jump.
I will give you, I will show you, I will let you borrow the toys. I have toys here. Oh, very good. Can you hop?
Hop, Uno, hop!
Hop.
Hop! Like a bunny. Wala.
Kung ano ba? Muna po ballerina yung ano ba? Hiyang.
Oh, ginabidyoan ko siya.
Very good.
So, ikaw ang teacher ka...
Kinder 1. Dalawa kami, teacher sa
Uno.
Sa July 1 pa rin siya mag-3, ma'am.
Sa July siya mag-3.
Sit down with the teacher right there.
What about to si Kuan, yung Uno?
4 na siya, ma'am, katulong March. Dapat ipa-nursery
Sino
lang.
mag-nursery?
Kani, ma'am.
Ang girl?
Opo.
Akala ko siya ang kinder 1.
2 years old pa lang siya, ma'am.
Savannah.
Mas ano siya, no? Mabutot sila.
Oo,
Pero mas ano siya, no? Malaki ba, no?
Mas active learner po siya. Active po siya sa learning.
Wala na yung isa si Valerie o si Liam.
Isang dati kayo.
Wala kami nursery. Ano mo siya sa mga
Po. Ano po?
Anak na mo, ma'am.
Anak po niya.
Pero yung suot niya po ni ate.
Ako po yung ate.
Like yung what pinagkap niyo na? 13 years?
Asan ate?
Opo.
Mas eh?
Opo.
13?
Opo.
Ate, ang gap nila.
Kani sila.
Ang gap namin po.
Ang mami niya bakit siya?
Asa na?
Ay, sino ang gap?
Ay, kapatid ko po sila.
Yeah, brother
Opo.
sila.
Teacher sa inyo, no?
Siya magulang na anak.
Eldest na sila.
Opo.
Sundanay na sila.
Oo.
Ayaw mo sila eh. Ate?
Tita.
Ate?
At
Sunod?
13 years ang
Napay 16 years old. Siya 19, 16, 4. Oh. Nabuhat na ako sila pandemic.
Sige lang, blessing na nga
Blessing
sir.
na, no.
See? Very smart.
Ayun pa. Wala yung lagi. Ang kamag-iwan ka ako.
You want the color? Wait, I will get
Color,
color.
una, color. Go. Sit down, sit down.
Kinder.
Kinder sila sila.
Anak kinder.
Paano nakano din sir sa City Alliance?
Ma'am?
Paano ka nakano sa City Alliance?
Kwan?
Here.
Ang abi-abi mo, Gol. Kapag ko ka ng pag-kinder ba?
Oo.
Ako lang ko na ikan ko today.
Color ano?
Color the car. Color the
You
car.
color this one, no? Can you color? Oh, you want to color? What is this? What is this? What is this? Butterfly. This one. What is this? Rainbow. Oh, how about you, no?
Magulang na siya. Ang
Do it like
Magulang mo
this.
yan eh.
Do it like this. Hold it like this. Like that. Oh, very good job talaga si Sabi.
Total, pa 5 minutes. Kami.
Oh, no, will remove your hat so that ate will yan, you do like that. Oh, you sit down, oh, no, you sit down.
Do it like this. Hold it like this. That.
Yan, very good. Oh, sige, you color it nice.
Mas ano itong babae dito?
Ah, left-handed siya.
Opo, that's right-handed siya.
Siya right-handed.
Daw si Valerie siya.
Liam.
May mabuto dili partner sila. Ang boy, either one, ang girl, nursery. Pero may baling dapat ito sila. Personal.
Sige lang ito ka nung puyo. Ay, nakatuminig sa mga kasi mo. Mingo. Walang kuya.
Ala, oy.
Sa 29 pa ito, ano sir? July 29,
Happy ka rin ate, may kapatid ka
Oh,
maliit.
okay lang.
Si ate yung matay.
Ano nag-grade mo ate?
Mag-college na po.
First year college ka. Tapos ka na ano?
Tapos na yun, no? Tapos na yung
Ay, hindi. Mag-first year college na po ako.
Oo, may nag-grade 12 ba? Graduation ka di ba?
Tapos na yun, no?
Sa Notre Dame?
Opo, tapos na po.
At puro naman sila. Pero mas nag-aaway mo ba?
Wala na sila gawin. Mag-away na sila kung kuwan.
Pagdula.
Gusto mo ng si Karing lalaki mo. Gusto mo niya.
Ang girl.
The girl.
Tapos ako na sila mag-aaway.
Kaya sila mag... Pero, sa pa na mo talaga.
Ano na siya, makabalo na siya maghawid.
Okay.
Left-handed
Kasi wala
pala
lang
siya.
itigil.
Hani ang kuan ba?
Matubalan pa.
Alas gata ang girl.
Ipay ka sila kaya let's go to your school. Dali sila.
Because ang nursery ko dito sa last yan. Kinder 1, kinder 2.
Sudri siya.
Kinder 1.
Ang lahat ito sa sunod.
Ang nursery.
Nursery dito sa last na
Tapos sila ginapunta ka rin kay hindi sa pwede dito sa may lapit sa cake.
Pasok sila.
Mas prefer na last month.
Good job. We'll give you star.
Wow! Star! Let me see. Let me see. Wow! Good job! What's that?
Cheerlead your star na. Good job, baby.
Ang laki, ang grade. Grade ano siya? Ang kuya nila.
Ay, babae mo siya.
Ay, babae ka. No? Tapos isa lang.
Sa lalaki.
I will give you stars.
Give me star.
Good job.
Wow!
This is yours. You show that to your mommy.
Ang kuya uno. Wow, where's your good star? Where's your good star? Wow!
Kuya Uno. Are you done, Kuya Uno? No. Okay.
Ang nursery, siya na magbibigay sa dito ng color, delicate, or
Are you done, Kuya Uno? Are you done, Kuya Uno? No.
hindi na kami
Show it to Daddy.
So, ano yung iba yung gagawin ko?
sa color, kung sa number 1, or the numbers, letters, sila. Pagkaluwas lang ang board ng crayons.
Are you done? Are you done, Kuya Uno?
Talagang sila kulay crayons. Ang bayan nilang wall. Hindi na sir. Pwede na mobile siya.
Ang wall, ang ganito na.
Kahit so, wala siya.
Sige, sige.
Basta siya.
Where's your paper, Savi? Savi.
Principal, magigit siya yan.
Oh, look at Kuya Uno's drawing. Look at Kuya Uno.
What color is this? What's the color of your crayon? What's the color of the crayon?
Hindi kasi siya pala salita ko.
Are you done? Yes. No, Kuya Uno. Are you done, Kuya Uno? Sabi, where are you? Where are you? Where's your daddy? Are you done? Uno? Kuya, are you done?
Are you done, Uno? Where? There.
Are you done?
Are you done, Uno? Show it to ano na. Show it to the teacher na.
Are you done?
Done na siya.
Ay, good job, anak. Colorful.
Wow, Kuya Uno. Oh. Wow.
Star.
Good job, Kuya Uno. Good job. Let me see. Let me see. Sabi, no.
Mommy, this is my work. Where's mommy? Her playing?
Nasa ano po siya, ibang bansa po.
Sa?
Sa ibang bansa po siya. Sa Saudi po siya ngayon. Opo. Airplane ng Saudi niya. Sit down.
Saan bahay niya dito?
Okay, so let's go. So dito ang room sa Kinder 1. Kinder nursery dito. Wow, you have a star, anak. Wow, good job. How we all. Well, okay. That's your drawing, anak. All right. Hey, let me see. Let me see your stars. Come on. Let Daddy see your star. Where is it?
Nasa left shoulder.
Where is your star? Oh, wow. Good job, anak. Okay. So, teacher.
Bye.
So, see you on
July.
July. Okay, bye-bye.
29.
Ma'am, teacher. Ano kayo name niyo, ma'am? Teacher Shelby, taog si teacher.
Daphne.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yan po yung name namin sa...
Ini si gawas? Okay. Shelby ito. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Let's, ano that, ha? Let's, Hey! Put this down!